Okay, just wanted to give you an update. Winter Storm 2026 snowmageddon. Pull up the radar here. So the storm is around Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, Missouri. And we will compare that to the traffic. Um, this is over here's Ohio, so we zoom in. So around Little Rock, Dallas, you can see it's all starting to slow down traffic. Memphis. In the bottom right corner is the traffic color indicator. Red is heavy or stopped. Green is going or light. So it's already starting to affect the traffic. Take a look at the outage map. It's already starting, the ice is already starting to affect outages. Lamar County 4,000 out. Red River, Bowie, Rusk 6,000 out. And then Louisiana, some outages starting. Arkansas. Dallas airport is affected. It's in the red there. Looks like traffic around the storm is a little lighter. Still getting through. And yeah, so the pink is the winter storm warning and the purple is the ice storm warning. So here in Columbus, Ohio, it's Saturday around 10:30 a.m. Still expected 8 to 12 inches. Albany, in New York, 12 to 18 inches. So a lot of snow. Again, it looks like it's going to stay cold. So a lot of that snow and ice is going to remain for a while. Like I said, the South doesn't have like a large fleet of snow trucks, salt trucks, so that could stay around for a while. Alright, just wanted to give you that quick update.